Greetings, DeWolf Multimedia. It's me, Mr. Cheney, with another brilliant tutorial. This is going to help you finish the 3-week-long project that we've been working on called Elements of Photography Video. So, as you may well be aware, hopefully, the past 3 weeks we've been working on this project right here. And here are the elements of the project. So we've built a 13-slide presentation either in PowerPoint or Canva. You have a title slide, you have a list of contents, you have the 10 element slides, and then you have some sort of conclusion slide. Once you have those built and you have your pictures on them and they're titled and everything else, you were directed to use transitions and animations and other motions and graphic design elements and color and filters and everything else. And your main goal is to make your video, the final product, visually appealing and a creative piece of work. So, if you are on track and you are almost ready to turn in it today, which is the due date, December 6th, then the last few steps are what I'm showing in this video here. So we have both PowerPoint version. Okay, so I have a PowerPoint version, and then we also have the Canva version. So there are different ways of getting this to video and then music and that sort of thing. So let's start with the PowerPoint version. So you want to make sure that you've got all your slides, and every slide has the correct picture with the title. And you want to make sure that you have animations and transitions between slides. So if I were to just really quickly, before I convert this to a video, view this and make sure that I've got every element that I need. So I see movement, I see transitions, I see animations happening, and you would want to do this for every single one of your slides just to make sure. I don't think I'll go through. There's a transition right there, that's good. And then I've got my movement that comes in with my pictures and my, very good. Okay, cool. So I'm pretty confident I'm ready to make this into a video. And then once it's a video, I'm going to put it into Canva, add some music, download it, put it into YouTube, and then turn it into the Google Classroom assignment. So here's how we convert a PowerPoint into video. We go to File, we go to Export, and we go to Create Video. You want to change this seconds spent on slide probably to 8 seconds, between 8 and 10 seconds, depending on if you have words that you have on there identifying what the elements are and that sort of thing. I will probably be using voice overs for my particular videos, so I'm a student that goes for the extra credit, so that's how I'm going to do mine. So we're going to create that video, and we want to make sure that we know what the name of it is. In this case, mine's called Elements Photography, Cheney, Scotland 2024, and this is going to go, I want it to go to Downloads, and so I'll export it. And right here is the status for how long this is going to take to export to an MP4 video. So when that is finished, then I'm going to be able to put it into Canva Editor. So while that's working, we're going to go and we're going to type into a new tab, Canva Video Editor, and make sure you're signed into Canva first so that you can use it. And this is what the screen looks like. You'll click Edit a Video. And we're going to actually upload our video into this video editor. Going back to PowerPoint, let's see how the status looks. Pretty close. We're almost there. Okay, so we have an exported video ready to go. So now I can go to Canva, and so we're in the Canva video editor, and we're going to look to our upload. So you would upload your video. I've done it several times already, so I've got them ready to go here. So here's my PowerPoint version. So I'm going to drag this over to my timeline right here. So now my video is on the timeline. Okay. And my last thing to do is actually add music. So there's a couple ways we can do this. We can go to Elements in Canva, and we can go to Music. We can go to All Audio, and you can pick music from here if you'd like, which is really easy. So let's say you liked this one right here, then you could just drag it down, drop music, there we go, and we want to make sure that it lines up with the entire show. So that's the beginning, that's the end, we're good to go. You can press play just to make sure that it sounds like and looks like what you want it to look like. And then we go to share, download, MP4 video, and that's going to give you a video with music that you'll be able to put into YouTube. Now let's say you want to use music from one of the other websites that were on the assignment. So if we go to Google Classroom, you'll see that I gave you bensound.com or Purple Planet. So let's go to bensound. Maybe you liked one of those music tracks better, so you can play it, and then if you like it, then you can download it over here. So it allows you to download a demo. You're going to sign in with your Google Classroom. Okay, so I'm signed in now. I can download the demo. And now I have a bensound music right there. So I'll go back to my video editor. I'll go to uploads. I'll upload the file. It's right here. And just like I did from the music with bensound, I can drag this over like so. I'm going to line it up, make sure that beginning to end we're good to go. I can press play to make sure it's the song. Cool. And then I do share. Do download, and then do MP4. So I'll download that. Last step. Oh, yep, last step. We go to our YouTube channel and we create, upload, and select the file that we did. So we're going to downloads. This is the video that I want. The one thing you might want to do is actually change the name so you can find it easier. So right here is the name of your file. So I changed the name of mine to Cheney Elements of Photog Video with Music, so I know that's the one with music. Then we go here and we download MP4, and we give it some time to actually download itself. And when that's finished, we're going to put it into our YouTube channel. Okay, so now my finished video is here. This is the one with the music. So I'll go to my YouTube channel. I will select this one. It says music. I got the right file now. Upload that to YouTube. And I want to make sure that this says no, it's not made for kids. I can go next, next, next. You have a choice between unlisted or public. If you do private, I won't be able to see it. Unlisted means nobody can see it except the person with the link. Public means anybody can see it. So I'm going to go with public. I'm going to copy my link right here. I'm going to publish it. And I'm going to close that out. And then now it's time to turn this in. So if I'm on my student side and I'm at the project, there's two things I need to turn in. I need to turn in the YouTube link, which I'll do now since I have it copied. And I need to turn in the Canva or PowerPoint link as well. So in this case, we're showing you how to do PowerPoint. So we'll go over here, we'll do share, we'll copy the link, and you got to make sure that I'm not locked out of this either. So you want to go into settings. This has to say anyone. Okay, so anyone with a link, you apply that, you copy the link. Okay, it says link was copied. So now I can go back to the assignment. That link as well, and now we're good to go. I've got one YouTube video, I've got one link to my PowerPoint, and I'm going to be able to turn this in, and my project is ready to go, ready to be graded, just like that. I'm also going to attach a video on how to do all of this through Canva as well, so look for that. And that's it. That's how we finish this project, and I will see you back in class.